Solution: area of triangle is given by 1 by 2 base into height. Okay, now according to this one, can I write area of triangle ABC, that is equal to half into BC into AM, BC into AM. Okay, base is BC, altitude, that perpendicular is AM. In the same way, area of triangle PQR is equal to half into base QR into PN perpendicular. Okay, now see here, half is common both in numerator and denominator, so we will cancel this one. We will left with BC upon QR into AM upon PN. It means our aim to remove AM upon PM, and instead of this we have to bring BC upon QR. Then it will become BC square upon QR square. Is it so now? So we have to just see in triangle ABM, to prove this one, in triangle ABM and triangle PQ1, these two smaller triangles, we will show these to be similar. Okay, now we are going to show these two triangles are to be similar. For showing similar this one, can I say angle B is equal to angle Q and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. B is equal to Q. Why? As it is to be given. I already written in the given. Thus triangles are similar. If you are not showing in the similar, you can write in the reason triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR or CPST of given triangles. Okay, it's up to you. Now angle 1 is equal to 2. Why angle 1 and 2 both are equal? Yes, by construction they are each of 90 degree. Clear? Now can I say by angle similarity, triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQN. When two triangles become similar, their corresponding sides are also in same ratio. So AB upon PQ is equal to AM upon PN, that is CPST. When we just show triangles are to be similar, their sides are in ratio. When we show congruent, then their sides are equal. Keep in mind this one. When we show triangle congruent, we write CPCT, means corresponding parts of congruent triangle. But as we have shown the triangle similar, so we will write CPST, means corresponding parts of similar triangle. Now using first, second, third. First we have just told AB upon PQ is equal to, that is AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. From second we have find the area of triangle, and from third we have just proved that the side of ratio of AB upon PQ is equal to altitude ratio, that is AM upon PN. Means if we want to remove, instead of BC upon QR we can write AB upon PQ, and instead of AM upon PN we can also write AB upon PQ. Okay, so what we have done in area of triangle, we have removed AB upon that BC upon QR by AB upon PQ, and AM upon PN be also by by PQ, so that it becomes squares. Okay, now this we have shown by given, using given. You can say area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC upon QR square is equal to AC square upon QR square. Okay, I think the theorem is clear to you. Again going to explain, listen carefully. First, theorem is important, and this theorem is only a little bit tough. Otherwise the rest three are very easy. First one BPT, second is Pythagoras, third is converse of Pythagoras, fourth is ratio. Out of these four theorem, one theorem is always in an exam. Either it may be your PA, it may be your terminal, or it may be your board exam. It must be in exams. Okay, only this a little bit tough. So again, listen again what I am just going to speak, again repeating the theorem. What the theorem says, the ratio of the area of two similar triangle is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. For this we have to given triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. As these two triangles are similar, their corresponding parts are in similarity, means angles are equal sides in ratio. Okay, so first of all we have written triangle similar. Now to prove that area of triangle ABC and triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon R square is equal to AC square upon PR square. For this we have done the construction. What construction we have done? Draw AM perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR. Perpendicular drawn. Okay, now we know area of triangle is given by half into base into height. So area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR, that is equal to 1 by 2 into BC into AM upon 1 by 2 into QR into PN. Okay, 1 by 2 cancel. Now we were left with these two. So we have to remove AM upon PN. For this we have taken the smaller triangle ABM and triangle PQN. Okay, in which angle B is equal to angle Q given and angle 1 is equal to angle 2, each 90 degree. Then these two triangles become similar by angle similarity, and their corresponding sides AB upon PQ is equal to AM upon PN, that is CPST, become equal. Okay, their sides are in corresponding ratio. So we can say by using first, second, third, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR will become AB square upon PQ square. Okay, using given we can say the ratio of the area of two similar triangles is always in the square of their corresponding sides. Clear? Any doubt? Now the next exercise is also depend on the same, but we will do the exercise later on, and you have to today you have to do all the 4 theorems again. Once you will write in your notebook, practice notebook, and just go through the theorems so that it will be permanent in your mind. Okay, now tomorrow you will start the revision of unit first. Okay, bye बच्चों.